Hey guys, here's a quick update on my 356. I drove out to the paint shop where my car is in Hesperia. It's about 1.5 hour drive from where I live in Huntington Beach. And I just wanted to see the car and at least start it up. It's been sitting now for about 8 months. So Mario has stripped the hood and investigated what might have happened to the paint system. It's base coat, clear coat, PPG materials. And the defects are hard to see, but there's like micro cracks in the base coat or little defects throughout the car that kind of popped up. It's tough to tell, what's at fault here, but I think the consensus is that during the buffing phase, it overheated the base coat and cracked it. So like those defects didn't become apparent until a few years after, when I was assembling the car. Hard to say for certain, but that is the general consensus. I'm not the painter, I'm not the investigator. I'm just kind of relaying the information to you guys. Areas that are not highly buffed, like the dashboard or the door jambs, those seem to be doing just fine. But because there's blending and everything, it's easier to just paint the whole car, sand and paint the whole car. So we were able to get all the lights, the chrome, the trim, and the windows out, so it's ready for a complete respray. Another complication is we are in California, and the paints available in California are a little bit different. We are using a solvent-based base coat, but it's also PPG, but it's hard to get that paint here. So we're trying to keep the color match, keep the paint system as close to possible as to what it was, so that we don't have to respray the interior as well. We did get the car running. There was a big 6-volt charger over here that was helpful to get the battery. The battery was dead, but was able to get the fuel pump up to the carbs, and it started up and idled fine. So wanted to kind of keep the carbs from getting gummed up. So that's at least good news. So that's the update, guys, on the 356. It doesn't feel like a great day, to be honest. I mean, it's kind of like going backwards. But this paint defect has been preventing me from finishing the car for a really long time. I didn't want to put the interior in it. I didn't want to get it all finished because I thought this day would come where it had to get resprayed. So unfortunately, this is part of the process. This car gets the best of the best, and I want the paint to be perfect. It was about 4 hours worth of just disassembling the car. And oddly enough, everything you take off a 356 easily fits in the back of a Supra.